Sivala ngezithu uThapelo Amadu uholeke ukubungaza iSoweto Country Club nowayengenozinto bafana uBrian Baloyi esekela ke uhlelo exhumene nenyanga yentsha ngaphambi kosuku legalofu oluzothuthukisa intuthuko yomphakathi ngezemidlalo.
uThapelo Amadu bekhokele ukuphehlelwa kwephulo iGolf for St Josie eSoweto Country Club ePimville. Injongo yeliphulo kukuqakathisa ulutsha kunye nokuza nophuhliso ekuhlaleni. Konke oku kunqanyaniswe neminyaka engama-50 yokuqaphela imigushuzo yolutsha luka-1976.
To us, it's the Youth Month. And the spanner in the works, the 19th of June, it's when the Black American child got their freedom. They have a holiday called Juneteenth. It also marks a significant day to them because black is universal. Black is not just limited to here. And us being universal, it means that to a degree, our challenges are similar.
Sports plays a very crucial role in human development. And I think, growing up and even today, we still look at sports as in when someone plays sports, they want to play professional that sport. Whereas sports, I am what I am who I am today because of sports. Everything about me, everything I learned on the field, not in class. There's so much that our kids can learn, and I think government needs to take sports not as a by the way, but as one of the most important pillars of society. That
it is very important for us that we make sure our kids are open to these opportunities. I think for a very, very long time, I think it was we've not seen any prominent black golfer in South Africa. We have not seen it, and I think that's why we've got programs such as this, is to encourage our children, I think, to be prominent in life as far as golf is concerned.
iGolf for St Josie iza kusebenzisa ezemidlalo ukuqaphela lenyanga nanjengoko zinako kumanya uluntu zenze inguqu ezincomekayo apho kuhlala khona abantu. NdinguThami Manganyo, iindawo zemidlalo kwiSoweto TV.